Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read for you. The first one for the month of August. And these are general collective readings. Cancer will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Cancer, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Cancer, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. For me, this is person A and this will be person B. If this is your reading, of course you'll know which side you're on, right? So, action for person A and action for person B. Alright, bottom of my deck I have the Lovers in reverse. Some choice. This is a card of choice. I don't know what choice this is. I'm going to put this here. Let's go on to the reading and see what this is all about. Okay, let me look at the cards first. King of Wands and the Nine of Cups. And okay, so Cancer, somebody does want to take action, but they are not feeling very happy at the moment with the way things have progressed in this connection. Where person B is concerned, they've decided to end something because maybe some secrets have come out, something has come out in the open. Let's see, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Cancer. Then I'll clarify these cards to see really what's happening here. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. I'm putting these back because too many fell out together. Cancer and their person. Okay, Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. All right. And now I'm going to take a few more from another deck. Cancer and their person spirit. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Okay, good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here says, have you moved on with someone else who treats you better than I did? That thought is so painful. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. I think this is person A. Look at the way this King of Wands is looking in the other direction, away from this reading, right? So this is a very dynamic person, could be a businessman, could be whatever, but they kind of sometimes self-centered. They like to do things the way they want their life to go, their business, their projects, their travel, sometimes wanting to keep their options open, to check out, other flavors in life. But this person is not very happy now of whatever decision they've made. When you left me, I felt like it was because you did not feel or think I was good enough. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. Yes, I think this is again person A who's not happy with the choices they've made in their life. They want to return. They've made their choice. I'm sorry for the mind games I played. I know it was wrong. Why do you stay when they treat you so badly? Waiting on you to forgive me. I promise I can change. I'm happy for you, This could be person B saying, hey, you wanted others? I'm happy for you. Go do what you have to do. I'm shutting this door on you. Just know that I'm sorry. Alright, so Cancer, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this read, and then we'll do the clarification. So my angels, what do you have for Cancer? Blessing, guidance, advice, or message? Healing. So I don't know what has happened in this connection. Maybe person B is healing from after facing whatever they faced with person A, or maybe now person A is wishing to heal this connection. Whatever said and done, my angels are ready with their healing. As soon as you make the decision that you want, things will be fine. Okay? Either with or without your person, things are going to be fine. Healing is yours. So let's see now, person A. I'm going to start with the energy of person A. Cancer, you could be either side. I don't know where you are. For me, I'm just reading energies here. So, King of Wands, what do you want to say to us? Why are you feeling in the Nine of Cups in reverse energy? Why do you feel none of your wishes are coming true? King of Wands has the mic. King of Wands, say something. Okay, they're feeling very overwhelmed right now. Very, very overwhelmed. Yes, they had a lot of choices. They are feeling very burdened because of the fact, I think, at that one point, they may have had many choices to choose from, lot of options in life, but eventually they started to feel lack. Maybe they didn't like any of their options. Maybe the options disappeared or something happened here. Now they're feeling very overburdened and confused as to what to do. Nine of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Cups in reverse. They want to, they know person B has their barrier up. They are wishing and hoping for this fight to end, for these barriers to be put down, so then they can charge towards person B, I think, once again. They're not happy at all that person B has put up now strong boundaries against them. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to have gone through all that? Six of Swords in reverse. Some conflict, some fighting, some conflict, very imbalanced connection. Maybe they were just not bringing healing or a equal give and take or a balance. And yes, they could have been fighting. They could have been fighting here. Judgment in reverse, Five of Wands. This is all conflict and fighting. Why was that, Spirit? What's this Queen of Wands? What's this Queen of Wands? This person may have had somebody else. Maybe there was another woman or another man, or I don't know. Maybe there was somebody else that they were attracted to, and this person was trying to behave like a player, and or they were just immature. Maybe they were just immature and not committing, something like that, which made their partner feel very, very unhappy and felt betrayed. Maybe person B felt very, very betrayed and unhappy in this connection because of all the fighting and bickering of this person's inconsistent behavior brought to this connection. So how does person A now feel about this connection? They are no longer now in two minds. They've made their choice, and they're getting impatient. Two of Swords, Spirit. Why do they see this connection as a Two of Swords? Yes, they feel, okay, they feel that person has made a choice now against them. They've judged them. They are now feeling very embarrassed, very ashamed now, because they have lost their, almost like their reputation, or they feel person B doesn't see them now as a person who can ever be that, perfect person who's responsible or something like that. So this thought of them having lost, their the way person B looks at them now is kind of depressing person A a lot. Four of Swords. they're trying to act, they're trying to find their strength now. They also see their person, that's person B, as a very dynamic person, beautiful, sexy, fine, turning heads wherever they're going, turning stronger and stronger by the day, and that's kind of depressing person A. They are alone right now. They are in hermit mode. They're trying to understand what they've done. They are somewhere, they've made their choice. The second time this card has come out, Two of Swords in reverse. So if they were like closed off earlier, or they were blindfolded to this connection, or they were pulled into different directions, I think this person is very certain that it's only this Queen of Wands who's on the other side is the right person, because they've realized, I still have so much passion for person B. They're just wanting this fight to end. They don't want person B to, have any barrier or guard up anymore. They don't want this person to fight them if they go towards them. What else, Spirit? They're scared. They're scared now that if they ever do return, now person B has become the Queen of Wands, right? And very, very strong as well. Taking good care of themselves and shining. So now they're a little afraid that person B will probably ask them questions or have a sword, in front of them, so they can't enter their zone or trouble them, or they're a bit scared of this. Queen of Swords is quite scary, because this Queen of Swords wants the truth and nothing but the truth. And if you come to this Queen of Swords with any kind of drama or lies, this Queen of Swords is capable of cutting you off totally. So what action person A will finally take, I'll open later. Let's go on to person B's side, see how they're doing. Person B has the World card. Why is that, Spirit? Why are they feeling this way? World. They've shut this chapter. In their mind, they've shut this chapter because person B says, I'm holding back from this connection now because this person brought too much stress into my life. I was feeling sleepless nights. I was tense. I was anxious all the time. I didn't know where they were, what they were doing, who they were doing. So I am tired of kind of being stressed out all the time. So I've taken it upon myself to now hold back from this connection. I'm moving on to a new chapter of my life. Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse is clarified, Cancer, with the Empress in reverse. Yes, they feel certain things, certain secrets, or something was revealed to them. Something was revealed to them which was crystal clear that their person could probably be breadcrumbing them and someone else, or not giving them enough, or not giving equal give and take. From what I feel, they could have found out that person A was giving to more than one. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit? What happened here for person A to be feeling this way? The Tower in reverse. What's this Tower? Some clarity came to person B, that's for sure. Some clarity came to person B, maybe regarding a commitment or a lack of one or something like that. And they kind of accepted it. They accepted it and said, all right, if this is ending, so be it. I'm happy to go for a fresh new beginning in my life for myself. One more card, Spirit, for the Tower in reverse. Yes, I think the person B kind of pulled back their power. Maybe the person B had a lot of love for person A at one point, but after whatever revelation came, whatever clarity came, person B decided to go into self-love. They put a lid on that cup of love and say, I'm reserving this love for myself now, and I'm going off for a new beginning elsewhere. Fool card. Fool card. Yes, they felt this person A, whatever they were offering them was very little, and was kind of, this cup has a little fish in it which could be stinking, right? So this love was never that love. And person B said, instead of accepting this little cup of love with a fish in it, which is going to eventually backfire on me because it's not going to be the whole thing, right? I am happier to take off in a new direction. Fool card, Spirit, what happened in the recent past? I think person B decided, I don't want another go around where in any kind of a partnership or a relationship which could be invested with third parties. They didn't want to repeat a cycle with person A. So how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? 6 of Cups and the 7 of Pentacles. 6 of Cups. Why do they see this connection with the 6 of Cups, eyes? They feel coming back and going back to person A would be a very foolish move. They feel that it's better to drop this connection now that it's anyways come to a stagnant halt. It's better to keep it that way. Otherwise, they feel if there is a comeback, that could lead to another set of trouble, another set of, conflict or fighting, or, all the past. The way they see this connection from the past, they feel, do I really want to go back to a place which is where all these things can happen again? The unrest, the fighting, the tension, the stress. The person B is feeling disappointed that, this is not worth investing in. 7 of Pentacles. Why does person B see this connection as the 7 of Pentacles? Person B, I think, has taken back control, taken back power of themselves now. They feel this is never really grown, right? I, by myself, have managed to grow my life from the 7 of Pentacles to the 8 of Pentacles. Where person A was concerned, they never contributed to the growth of this connection. Since I am now happy doing things by myself and I'm alone and working on progress in my life, I'm actually feeling more stable. I'm adding one by one more security to my life than person A ever gave me. So person A, will you take any action towards person B? The Empress. They want the Empress back, it seems. They want growth, they want fertility, they want to make things grow. Yes, person A definitely wants things to go back the way they were. They want to have the luck to be favoring this connection once again. They want a smooth flow of energy to come back. They really admire person B, from what I feel. They want to come and express their love, Cancer. They want to express their love. They want to give that respect which they never have, I think, till now. They do see person B in a very good light now. So person B, will you take any action? Ace of Pentacles. Why is that an action? I think person B is wanting something very stable in their life. They want stability. They don't want any wishy-washy offer. They want something which is going to be secure, which is going to be stable, with or without person A. They are saying, I'm happy to walk away and build by myself. From the 7 of Pentacles, they've made it to the 8 of Pentacles, and now here I see them in the 9 of Pentacles. This person is saying, I want somebody to bring me that last pentacle so that 9 plus 1 becomes 10 and I can have a lasting, secure relationship. If they bring me that, great. If not, I'm happy to walk away because I see myself flourishing. I can create another 1 or 2 pentacles just like that and make my 10 of Pentacles myself, or find it with somebody else. So person B has really found their confidence, and person A is viewing them. They are seeing them. So either of you are going to take any action, Cancer. Person A, I'm going to give you one more chance. Any action from your end? I know you feel the love. I know you want to, you see them as your empress, but will you take any action? Empress again. This person is madly in love. I'm sure they're going to take action sooner or later. They're going to come and offer this cup of love. Look at the, and in their action, Empress, Wheel of Fortune and the Ace of Cups. They know what they want and they're going to come and offer it, I'm sure. So person B, any action from your end? One card for you as well. Oh, why? Person B is not very sure that, person B is not very sure. Person B feels that my person may come and express whatever they express. They've never done it before. Omkara Tarot, I really don't believe you right now, because this person has always been emotionally closed off to me. They've emotionally manipulated me. They've never offered me anything till now. I've kind of lost hope. I always felt that this was a very strong soulmate connection. I'm not really feeling it right now. I'm really not feeling it right now. Maybe if they move from their stuck position and come and show me, I may. But as of now, person B doesn't trust person A at all. So yes, that's where we are. Now person A, ball is in your court. You'll have to go and heal person B. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.